Did I cut it? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are on the road. I just wanted to talk with you guys because I brought my camera in the car. I would hang you guys up here, but for some reason like the lighting is bad and then the sun is in my face, so I can't really see that much. But I just wanted to say hi.
Stay in the second lane from the right.
Thank you. I just wanted to say hi to you guys really quick this morning and show you guys my makeup look from Rare Beauty. I recently got most of her products. My contour stick should be coming in today, which has been sold out in all her stores. I'm super excited to try that out. I just hope that you guys have a great start to your day, a great morning, a great afternoon, a great night. Just spread positivity, spread kindness, be kind to each other, embrace changes in your life. Just trust God with the process. Sometimes you don't know when things will happen. Life can literally change in an instant. If you come across an opportunity in your life, don't be scared about it. Don't be nervous about it. Like, just go for it. Like, you only live one life. If it's something that you love to do, then just go ahead and do it. Don't be afraid to take risks and take chances, especially if it's something that you really like and something that you really want to do. Just keep going and do what you love. At the end of the day, everyone should be doing what they genuinely love. We'll continue this video whenever once I'm doing something else productive, because right now I'm heading out to do something. Yeah, it's kind of boring. So I will speak to you guys once I am doing something else interesting. I just wanted to say, if you're watching, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate that you're taking your time to watch my channel, my videos. It truly means the world that, you know, you want to take your time out to watch my videos. Each and every one of my subscribers, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate all of you guys' support, each and every one of you that have joined me in this journey. Yeah, I'm just super excited to just see what's in store for my channel. I had to take a break in February just simply because I had to prioritize my mental health, and I was just going through some things mentally. Right now I don't feel like sharing about. Maybe in the future. I was just going through a lot of things mentally, and I just needed to take a break, you know. And I think it's healthy to take a break and not feel like you're forced to do something. So if you love to do something, just do it because you love doing it, and don't feel like you are feeling forced to do anything. But that's always my motto, always my perspective. Anyways, sorry half of this video was like most of sunlight in my face, but I just wanted to pick up the camera and say hi to you guys, and I just wish all of you a great rest of your day, morning or night, and I will see you guys in the next clip, whatever it is that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, bye. Sorry for the TV in the background, but really quick I wanted to show you guys, this is how the HelloFresh meal looks. I'm gonna attempt to try and make the barbecue pineapple flatbreads. It looks so good. And just so I can finish with my first meal and stay focused, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook it. If I have time to record some bits and pieces, I will, but for now I'm just gonna cook it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, I got my setup all done, my cilantro, my peppers, my little sauce I have here, and I have this beautiful baby right here that smells so good. And I can't wait to show you guys the end result. I'm gonna start chopping up this mozzarella. I'm so excited. These are the flatbreads. And yep, so I'm gonna show you guys the end result, or maybe another clip. I do not remember where I left off last. I think I was cooking or something. I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail, okay? And I need to put a bright light in this. And I think I'm gonna place it here since it's more space over here. I got the cutest necklace from Every Jewels. I got it from one of my favorite YouTubers, which is Samantha Nicole. Let me know if any of you guys know her. She's like so sweet, and she's like one of the reasons that I really am continuing like my YouTube journey. She's so sweet, so humble, and I had to go support her and buy one of her necklaces. And I just want to show you guys how beautiful. Look at this. I don't think it's doing it justice, so I'm gonna put it on the bed. Here's the necklace. It's so beautiful. Love the gold. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. Look how stunning that is. So cute. I love the angel wings, how she just incorporated these beautiful pearls and how it has like dots around the necklace. And then they gave me this extra piece. I love it. So cute. I had to support her. I'm definitely gonna post it on my Instagram and show her that I got one of her pieces because I love it. I'm gonna support her. Actually, I'm gonna put it on. Actually, I'm gonna take a picture really quick and then I'm gonna put it on. So adorable. It's so cute. Call me crazy, but I just put these nails on really quick, and I got these from Walmart, I think, or Target, one of those. And look how cute. I didn't even need to go to the nail salon, but it's like, how would you know? How would you know? I want to show you guys. I almost forgot. So I got a shirt from White Fox because I was tempted. I keep seeing White Fox everywhere. You know when you keep on seeing something? That's just me. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna try it. Just like Selena's lip oil, I was like, oh no. I bought this cute sweater shirt on White Fox. So I'm gonna show you guys my first haul from White Fox. I'm gonna remember this day, guys. I'm gonna remember this day where I was like my first haul with my one shirt. I really hope it fits. I don't know if this is like the right size or not. Obviously, I haven't opened it yet. So this is like my first. When I look back on this day, on this video, I'm gonna be like, I remember my first haul and it was just one outfit. Not even one outfit, it was just one shirt, one sweater. I remember that day. I'm gonna say that, I promise you, I'm gonna look back at it like, wow. You guys are gonna get my raw and real reactions. So I'm gonna unbox with you guys and show. Oh my god, did I cut it? I'm just kidding. Oh, I was like, is this free? I was like, is this free? I forgot that I ordered this. I ordered this Selena necklace. How could I have forgotten that I ordered this? Look how cute. For nothing, you guys, but this looks a little big. I hope I ordered the right size. But if it's oversized, you know what? It's fine. Oh, this looks huge. This looks humongous. Guys, this is huge. I did not order this big ass sweater. How am I gonna, like, what? This is a small medium. So I needed like an extra small. Oh my gosh. But you know what? It's okay. I think I'm still gonna keep it and wear it as like an oversized shirt. I'm gonna keep it and wear it as like an oversized shirt. It's completely fine. I've been wanting something super cool, super cozy and stuff, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. But the main reason I ordered this was because it said your life is as good as your mindset. Never limit yourself, feel the fear, and do it anyway. I've been seeing this everywhere and I'm like, I need it, I want it, and I have it, but in the wrong size, but it's okay. And then it says White Fox in the back. So cute. I love it. So let's try this on. Okay guys, so this is it. So this is how it looks just putting it on. I have these white shorts on. I have these gray shorts on. You guys, it's super warm inside. I love it. I love how warm it is, how warm it feels. And it's a little bit big, but I think I can work with it. You know, I really do like it. It's super soft on the inside, and it just feels like really warm. I was not expecting it to be that good of a material, but I love that it has like cut open. Like I can just cut it open, or if I'm really cold, I can just zip it up to the top. But I love this look right here. And of course with my necklace, I feel like this is gonna be my go-to editing sweater whenever I feel like it's not in the mood and just not feel like editing, because I love recording, I love filming, but when it comes to the editing part, it's a lot, you guys. It's a lot. I have to keep reminding myself that I love it, just do it anyways, like they say. So I love it. It's like a cute little oversized, and whenever I feel cold, I can wear it. I will definitely wear these with like some jeans. If you guys like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. My first time buying from White Fox, by the way. Now I know that I need like probably an extra small, but honestly, now I know if I want an oversized like sweater, I would definitely get this size. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna end the video here. I don't even know what to call this video. I guess I'll figure it out when I post it. I wouldn't really consider this a vlog. I guess I would say kind of like a hangout with me type of video. I don't know, vlog or hangout with me. I really don't know which one to call it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and join the family. Don't be shy and comment down below so we can get to know each other. Follow me on my socials at Evianka for all my socials, Instagram, TikTok. Hit that subscribe button and join me in my journey. We're almost at 400 subscribers. I will pick one of you to be featured on the end of my video as my notification shout out. Me and Chanel want to say thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.